So I've told you that when you are adding, or rather when you're operating matrices, the very first thing is to identify the order of the matrices involved. So this one is a 2 by what? So naandika hivyo, the 2 by 2. And this one is a 3 by 2. When you look at the notes on addition and subtraction of matrices, you'll find that you can only add or subtract matrices if they are of the same order. So are these orders the same? So then you simply tell us not possible. Those two cannot be added because the orders are not the same. Example, that was example 1. So let's do example 2. Example 2. You are given 5 minus 3, 7, minus 6, 8, 10, minus 5, 12, 6. You are given this, and you are told to add minus 2, 9, minus 3, 10, 6, minus 4, 12, 3, and 6. You are given 2 matrices like those ones. And they tell you to add or to subtract. Now, the first thing is, this one is a 3 by what? 3. And this one is also a 3 by 3. So are they of the same order? Yes. So if they are of the same order, they satisfy the rule. Then you must know what kind of a matrix will you get. When you're adding matrices, and they are of the same order, then you will also get a matrix of the same order. So we are going to get a matrix of 3 by 3. A matrix that is 3 by 3. That's what you're going to get, 3 by 3. Going to get 3 by 3. Now we add the corresponding elements this way. 5 plus minus 2. Sio ni rahisi? That is 3. Ama lazima niandike 5 plus minus 2. Sio tunajua? Hii ni kazi ya form 1. So it is very many years since we're form 1. Okay? 6 years.
No.
Huh? Oh, you are giving me the answer. Oh, I got it from 1 year. With 6 years if you are in form 1. Okay. Eh? It's more than. Okay, yeah, I tell my students in as a form 1. Ndio ni kweli lakini tulikuwa form 1 miaka mingi sana. Iliyopita. But in counseling we say an adult is not far away from the child. Is that true? An adult is not far away from the child. What that means, how you were brought up, especially in the early years of between 0 and 10, it significantly influences your behavior today. So tukichunguza saa hii hata kama uko 50 years ama 30 years ama 20, tunaweza ona miaka yako ya 0 to 10. So you are not far away from the child. That's not counseling. I mean, this is not counseling. 7 plus minus 3, that is what? 4. This one will be what? 4 This other one would be 14. 14. This one is 6. This one is 7. This other one is what? 15. And this one is what? 12. That's 12. You don't need another example. Hiyo imetosha. Na kaswali hapa sijui kama do on your own. You note this one of August 2022, question 1A. August 2022, question 1A. Utafanya baadaye. Nimeona ni kama iko na multiplication kidogo, but it also has addition. So, sio tumemaliza? Yeah, it's very, very simple like that. Very, very simple. Let's now look at multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. Multiplication of matrices. So, sasa, if you are given two matrices to multiply, 2, 3, 4, 5, and you are told to multiply 6, 7, 8, 9. You are told to multiply something like that. Aya, solution hii najua hujui ama unajua. So, you know how to multiply. So first of all, you get the order of the matrix. So the order of the matrix is what? 2 by 2. And this one is 2 by 2. So are they the same? Na mnasema unajua how to multiply. Kianga kusema ni 20. So 20, give me the answer. Give me the answer if you know how to multiply. Can make my work very easy. Let me solve it to the next one. Sasa. Yaani watu wa mitandao. 33. 43. Good. Hata mitandao naona ni hivyo tu. So tuko sawa. Those online tuko sawa. Good. Then multiply this one so that we talk about. We go to the next one. Multiply that one.
Hivyo.
The answers 50, 29, 74. Good. Naona hata kwa mitandao ziko. So that is good. So let's now move on to, so with that now you comfortably have the question I have suggested, because it has an element of multiplication and addition. One in a classes in Not every day. Kama juzi kwa simplex kama mko mnanifanyia hiyo singekuwa mzuri sana.
Simplex matrix.
It was strange.
Yeah. But
now you know. By the way, I sent you the videos,
Yeah.
Okay. Let's now look at division or inversion of matrices. Now, this division, we normally talk of inversion instead of division. And the procedures are different. So we have 2 by 2 inverse. We are looking for a 2 by 2 inverse. It's like a very simple procedure. Example 1. Example 1. If you are given a matrix 3, 4, 5, 6. Copy to namna hiyo. Ama you know how to get it?
You can try.
Okay. The first thing that you do is called determinant. To get a determinant. Maybe this one, we said that is matrix A. Matrix A. Now this one, the determinant huwa inaandikwa hivyo. When you write a matrix within those two strokes, it's called a determinant. And the determinant is given as 3 by 6. 3 multiplied by 6. That is the major diagonal elements. You minus the minor diagonal. That is 5 times 4. So this is 18 minus 20. That gives us one minus 2. Minus 2. That's the determinant. Then you create something we call new matrix. Now, new matrix is created in 2 ways, or by doing 2 things. The first thing is the major diagonal, you change their positions. So 6 inakuja hapa na 3 inakuja hapa. Then for the minus, you change the sign. Positive, negative, positive, negative. So now that these are positives, this becomes minus 5, and this becomes minus 4. Then the inverse, that is A inverse, it is 1 out of minus 2. You multiply by 6 minus 5 minus 4 and 3. You take 1 out of the determinant, multiply by the new matrix. You can leave it that way, or you can choose to simplify further. If you chose to simplify further, you would have gotten minus 3. This is 2. This is 2.5, and this is minus 1.5. What do you do now? Just divide it. You just divide by 2.
Hello, great to be with you. We're here in Frankfurt.
One is talking and not to us. Haya, twende kwa example 2. Example 2, if you are given a matrix B as 8, 7, 5, 9. Nitafutie inverse ya hiyo matrix. Get the inverse of that matrix. So B inverse is 1 out of 37. This is 9, this is 8, minus 5 and minus 7. Okay. So kama tuko sawa na hiyo, let's go to 3 by 3. Without bringing it here, we have to create or not have LG. So, andika 3 by 3. Three by 3 matrix or inverse, 3 by 3 inverse. So if you're using 3 by 3, 3 by 3 inverse, we start with the matrix. So the matrix is matrix A, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This one, you have an idea? So the first thing that you do in getting 3 by 3 matrix is we extract something called minus matrix. Minus matrix. Minus matrix. So minus matrix, this is what you do. You come here, you block this and this. You are left with what? 5, 4, 8, 9. Alafu naweka hivyo. Do that. Naweka venye nimeweka hivi. Ama maybe ndio mjue vile inakaa, acha nikutengenezee ikiwa full. This is the first time you are seeing it. So look here now. So as you have said, you stop here. You broke this and this. Ndio tunaachwa na 5, 4, 8, 9. Then unakuja hapa kwa hii ya pili. You broke the second column. First row. Unaachwa na 6, 4, 7, 9. You come here, broke the third column and the first row. Unaachwa na 6, 5, 7, 8. Then you come here, you broke this and this. That gives us 2, 3, 8, 9. You come here, broke this and this. You are left with 1, 3, 7, 9. You come here, broke this and this. You are left with 1, 2, 7, 8. You come here, you broke this and this. You are left with 2, 3, 5, 4. You broke now the third row, second column, that is 1, 3, 6, 4. You come here, broke that row, that column, you have 1, 2, 6, 5. Now on a closer check, you'll be able to find out that this first row here, ndio inakuja kufunga hapo. Alafu hizi ziko huku ndani, they are alternating. Ukiwa kwa hii unaruka moja unaipata. Unaona hii ndio hii. Alafu hii ndio hii. That's one of the ways of checking whether you have done the right thing. Now chukua calculator. Give me the determinants. So the determinant, ukiandika hivi, that's the determinant. So 5 times 9 minus 8 times 4. 13. Kuja kwa hii 6, 9 minus 4, 7. 26. This one and this one 13. Kuja hapa this negative 6. This and this and this. This one. Negative 6. This. All right, then. Seven. So that is how you create the minus matrix. So copy that. Okay. Get through? Now after that, step number 2, nakuanga kutengeneza something called minus matrix. Not minus, cofactors matrix. Cofactors matrix. Cofactors matrix. Now, cofactors matrix, it is simply obtained by signing this one. And instead of doing double work, if you look at the notes, I've given you the procedure that I used in signing. But I want to show you something very simple for cramming. But if you are able to understand the language in the notes of the IJ, PM board, or game even, that's still okay. But for simplicity, unakuja hapa kwa minus. You always begin with positive. Shaweka positive hapo, then you go alternating. Positive, negative, positive, negative. Those are the only two things I would like you to cram. Those are easy. Unaanza na positive hapo. Then you go alternating, positive, negative. So this one becomes negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive, negative, positive. Then, ukisha sema hivyo, you multiply this sign with the sign that is already there, and you get your answers. This one will become 13. This becomes minus 26. This becomes 13. Then here we have 6. We have minus 12. We have 6. We have negative 7. We have 14. And we have minus. Very simple number here. That's how you get a cofactor. how you get a cofactor. The next thing is to get the something we call adjoint. Adjoint matrix. Adjoint matrix. Now the adjoint matrix, it is simply the transposed cofactor. Tumesema to transpose. Hebu transpose hii. Unaona kama ulielewa. Transpose, nione kama umeelewa. Yes, what are the values? Negative 26. 13. 6. 6. Negative 7. 14. Negative 7. Okay. So I think we are okay. The next thing, naona Mary unasema nirudie sijui ni wapi. So now the inverse, kuna kitu kingine hatujapata, determinant. Tutafuta determinant. Cofactor nimesema you start here with positive, then you go alternating, positive, negative, positive, negative, as I've written there. That is okay. Good. Sasa, when you come to get the determinant, this is what you do. Unachukua hii original matrix, the first row. Una multiply those elements with the elements in the first matrix in the first row of the cofactor. So hii row ya kwanza ya cofactor na hii row ya kwanza ya the original matrix you multiply as 1. So sasa hii itakuwa 1 times 13 plus 2 times minus 26 plus 3 times minus 7. Negative 60. Because and see lazima uchukue the first row. You can also take another combination, eh? Like unaweza chukua hii column 3 na hii you multiply as 1. Ama uchukue hii row 3 na hii. Hebu chukua any other uangalie kama itakupea 60. Any other combination unaweza weka tu kwa calculator. Ukipata a different value, sio kuna makosa mahali. Sio hiyo 7. Oh. Ilikuwa ni chukue hii 13, si ndio? Hii ni 13. Yes, ukipata a difference sio kuna makosa. Tulikuwa tunachukua hii 13 negative 26, sasa hiyo 7 ilitoka wapi? Haya. If you take any other, they should agree. If they disagree, that tells you there is an error. So ukiweka 13 hapo sasa inakuja 0. Sasa si grammatical. Are we finding the same with any other? Okay. Okay. So I think that is the framework of the how to operate matrices. So now from there we are supposed to look at the applications of matrices. And I think I gave you some questions in the handout. Eh? So sijui kama ni solve it as a handout ama ni solve past papers. Which one do you want? Past papers. So hii ya kwanza sababu nilikuwa nimewapea si mtapambana. Okay, so hiyo ya kwanza mtapambana. So there are several applications, eh? There are several applications, but maybe the ones I will handle differently. Ni input output na Markov. Sijui kama nitaonyesha modeling ya regression I will decide whether although now hapa wamefit for the syllabus. The others ni how to solve simultaneous equations, which now are used in computing very many things that in computing business, wages, cost, revenues, and all those kind of things. Yeah. So those ones we can't do them separately. Sasa nishasema question 1A, that is for your doing. And kama tumekubaliana hivyo, Then the questions in the handouts, you will answer on your own. Yeah, you'll answer on your own. So let me look for something else. Haya, tuende kwa still kwa hiyo karatasi ya August. August 2022, question 7C. Question 7C. August 2022, question 7C. Vera, I'm saying August 2022. Question 7C. That is what I've said. Rahisi sana. Naona hivi. You are given matrix A and you are told show that A B is not 0. Better than rahisi sana. So A times B is 2, 1, 3 minus 1, 0 minus 2, 2, 3 minus 5. This one you multiply by 3, 7 minus 1 minus 6 minus 14, 2 minus 3 minus 7 and 1. Haya. Twende kazi. Give me the answer. Sioni rahisi? Huh? No, you don't change the goalpost. Umeuliza mkaniambia nataka Pacific. Acha tukae kwa Pacific. They are the same things.
Question 3 is not the same. This one is so direct. We want the complicated ones.
Unafikiria kwa Pacific zote zinafanana na hivi? Ngoja tulia mambo bado. Kwanza nipatie answer ya hii. Zinyi mmezichagulia, sasa mkishachagua nafuata hiyo kwanza. They are basically the same things. They are not different. It's only that hatujafanya pamoja. Very simple. Most of these questions, they are also in my book. But I find students telling me, it's not only book. But they're the same things that come with the exam. Come with them. Are we through? Those who are online, anyone struggling with the multiplication? Make sure you don't go with the mob justice. Alafu baadaye waanze kusema Kimani anaendanga na wale wanaelewa haraka. You know, that's what some students accuse me of. So kama utaelewa useme. If you're not able to multiply, let me know. If you are able, let me get the answer quickly. So someone has already said the answers as -3, 6, 3, and the others are zeros. Do you agree?
Yeah.
And therefore, we are able to say it is not equal to what? 0. Si tuko sawa hapo? Haya. Tuende kwa huyu mwingine. Aliletwa April 2022. April 2022, question 4A. April 2022, question 4A. Hebu soma niambie how to go about it. It's also a simple one. What is the answer? I say, what is the answer? Zimesema za past paper ni very simple. Indeed they are. Because sinaulizwa all the words are not very clear hapo kwa required. You are told to get the number of units. So you will argue like this. Let A to be units of product A, B to be units of product B, and C to be units of product C. Sasa hii ni ile inaitwa solving simultaneous equations. Then ukiangalia, I want us to do away with the zeros so that we make our work easier. But if you still want to use all of them, still okay. So if we go with the zeros, without the zeros, it will be 2A plus 3B plus 4C should be equal to 17,000. This is in January. See there? That is in January. Tumetoa the 3 zeros kila mahali. Yeah. Haya, tukuje hii ingine. Sinaona ni rahisi. Yeah. Someone told me they can hire me to interpret for them in the example.
Yes.
So, but they did not come for the invoice. So February, then 1A plus 4B plus 2C is equal to 16. This is March. Then equations, I think I should have said something like that. So that is the first thing. You express the equations. Then these equations, you express them as matrix or matrices. Matrices. And what you do, you first of all take the coefficients. So you have 2, 7, 1, 3, 9, 4, 4, 4, 2. You multiply by A, B, C. Should be equal to 17,000, 45,000, and 16,000. So you know how to create the matrices. Yeah. So the coefficients become the first matrix. Alafu hizi unknowns, hizi algebras, they become the second, na inaandikwa hivi. For compatibility. Compatibility ni ile tulikuwa tunaangalia whether they can be multiplied. Alafu inakuja hapa. Iko sawa? Haya, sasa on solving, we want the unknown. Want the unknown. Sasa, if you want to be left with this one, look here. What you do, you divide this side by this matrix and this side also. But as I told you, we don't divide matrices. We use inverses. You can get that or you can just cram it like this. Ukifika hapa, unaachwa na hii ikiwa side yake. That's also a way of running. Hii inabaki on its own. Alafu hii inaingia ikiwa ya kwanza. Inakuja this other side. Na ikiingia, because it has changed the position, inaingia ikiwa inverse. To come and multiply 17,000, 45,000, and 16,000. Si tuko sawa? Haya, sasa tutengeneze minus. Because hii ni inverse, tunatafuta inverse, which is a 3 by 3. So sasa kuja nitengenezee hapa. Let's be fast. Now we have an idea what is it that we are doing. So tunatengeneza matrix M. So in making this one, we broke here. I'm left with 9, 4, and 4, 2. Nikuje nifunge huyu na nifunge huyu niache 7412. 7412. Nikikuja hapa nifunge huyu na huyu niache 7914. Nikuje hapa nifunge huyu na huyu niachiwe 3442. Huyu niache huyu na huyu niachiwe 2412. Nikuja hapa nifunge hii na nifunge hii 2314. Nikuja hapa 3494. Huyu na huyu niache 2474. Funge huyu na huyu niache 2379. For the interest of time, tusonge. 9244. This times and minus this. The answer is 2. 7, that is 14 minus 4, that is 10. Sure. That is 28 minus 9, that is 19. This is 6 minus 16, that is minus 10. This is 4 minus 4, that is 0. This is 8 minus 3, 5. This is 12 minus 36, that is minus 24. This is 8 minus 28, that is minus 20. This is 18 minus 21, that is minus 3. Na tumefanya kila kitu vizuri. Haya, sasa tukasema hapa you start with what? Positive. Then you go to negative. So that now you get the cofactor. So the cofactor is 2 minus 10, 19. This is 10. This is 0. This is minus 5. This is minus 24. This is 20. And this is minus 3. Sasa, in most of the commercial applications, this is a commercial application. The negatives usually disappear, all of them. That's why I was doubting whether we have done the right thing. But it's not a must. But in most of them, these negatives will disappear. If they don't disappear here, then they will disappear in the multiplication. So that is the cofactor matrix. After the cofactor, we need who? The determinants. That's okay, yeah? Determinant, nimekuambia what you do, you take these values of the first row, and you multiply with the values of the first row of the cofactor. So it's going to be 2 times 2 plus 3 times minus 10 plus 4 times 19. You have 50. You can confirm with any other. Ukichukua kama hii sasa na hii, just using the calculator. Just weka kwa calculator to confirm whether you get 50. These ones, so that we clear our doubts. $50, yeah? Yeah, good. Sasa from there, tutarudi hapa kwa A, B, C. Remember we were looking for the inverse. Sasa tuko na kila kitu we require for the inverse. And tulisema inverse is given as 1 out of the determinant multiplied by the adjoint. Now adjoint, it is the cofactor transposed. Tuko na cofactor. So we transpose it so that we have 2 minus 10 and 19. Then we have 10, 0, and minus 5. Then we have minus 24, 20, and minus 3. Sasa tumerudi hapa. That is now the inverse. Yeah. So we multiply 17,000, 45,000, and 16,000. So by the way, sasa here, now that you know how to multiply, you can just go straight. See, this is a 3 by 3, and this is a 3 by 1. So we are going to get a 3 by 1. Multiply and give me the final answers, please. The final answers. What are the answers? 2,000, 3,000, 1,000. And thus, A is 2,000 units, B is 3,000 units, and C is 1,000 units. Sio iko sawa? Sasa ni gani ulikuwa unaomba kwa adult? Question 3 nasema nini? Huko hatujafika. Hiyo ni Marco.
This is Marco.
Sikuwekea some very simple questions hapo, question 1 and 2. Hizo ziko na 2 by 2 matrices. So far mahali tumefika sasa hii ile swali ngumu unaweza pata ni solving 3 by 3. That's so far mahali tumefika. Hizo zingine kama unaona zinakulemea ngoja tu siku yake inakuja.
What about the one that you given I minus A minus
Hata hizo ngoja.
Oh.
Then I think the best statement for me to make is ignore the handout because itakuwekea pressure for no reason. Unajua utajisumbua na sasa on your own you will do November 2019 question 4B. November 2019 question 4B. Aya, ndio for the 10 minutes remaining ukimbie kwa May 2019. Tuone kama kuna tunaelewa hapo. May 2019 question 1B. Nimesema so far what we have covered, ile swali unaweza ona ikiwa ngumu ndio ya solve the questions Yeah. So if we are there, nimesema May 2019 question 1B. May 2019 question 1B. Inasema a salesman earns a fixed basic salary and a commission that is directly proportional to the number of units sold in the month. During the months of February and March, the salesman's total earnings were those ones. The number of units sold by salesman in the months of February and March were those ones. During the April, the salesman sold that. Now, using matrix algebra, determine your maneno. Now, for you to answer this, you must come from a point of information that total earnings, remember we call them applications because you are bringing your knowledge. Total earnings is equal to what? Basic pay plus what? Andika hii. Hivyo ndio mshahara inakuanga for most people, or rather for a few people. Most of us tunakwambia kwa basic pay. Hii ingine hakuna. Kuna ingine ya tatu inakuanga hapa inaitwa overtime. But most of us that is unheard of. So basically a fixed. Lakini commissions ile ina change depending on the units. So you simply say let let Y to be the total earnings. Total earnings. A to be the basic pay. B to be commission per unit sold. And X to be units sold. Then, ukiandika sasa hii equation in full, ukiandika na issues like we have it here, sitakuwa Y is equals to A plus BX. Have you ever seen this equation? Where? Regression, good. But now we are interpreting that way. So now, let's start with the, for purposes of matrices, nitaipindua namna hii, tutaanza hapa. Tuseme A plus in February we'll use 100, sio? So 100 B na karibu 60,000. This is now February. Alafu ikikuja hii month nyingine I'll use 250 units. Karibu 70,000. That is the month of March. So those are two equations. So you create matrices. You create matrices. Are you able to create? Create the own. I've told you in creating matrices, you pick the coefficients. The coefficient here is 1 and 1. Then 100 and 2. Those are the coefficients. Times, now you bring the algebra. A and B is equals to 60,000 and what? Very simple things. The coefficients. Then you say on solving. Nikakwambia hii ndio inabaki on its own side. So you have A, B is equals to hii inaingia ikiwa ya kwanza hapa 100 to 50 and then inaingia ikiwa inverse because it has changed the position. To come to multiply 60,000, 70,000, Yako ni karahisi. 2 by 2 to get the inverse, you know, we require to get the determinant. So determinant will be 1 times 250 minus 1 times 100. So that will give us what? 150. Alafu we create the new matrix. Sasa hatuta create it to a separate. So tunakuja hapa sasa tunasema AB should be equal to 1 out of 150. We create the new matrix. New matrix tumesema inaundwa aje? You change positions of the major diagonal. So that hapa ulete 250, hapa ulete 1. Then you change signs of the minor. E baki minus 1, E baki minus 100. To come to multiply 60,000 and 70,000. That's hapo you are okay. So on your own, what are the answers? 53,333, yeah? Now you mwingine 67. If you round up, right? Or down. So A is 53,333. B is what? So Y will be equal to 53,333 plus 67x. So in April, Y will be equal to 53,333 plus 67 times what? 400. Tumeambiwa April, hata nishafunga karatasi yangu. I think alikuwa amefanya job 400 units for April. So you multiply. Sasa nilikuwa nasema for your assignment you attempt May 2016 question 1A. May 2016 question 1A. That is good enough. Oh, and this one of now that you're doing economics, you should be able to happen. December 2014. Question 1C. So we call it a day at that point and hope to pick up from there in the next lesson.